Hey guys, Jake, Team Freedom Real Estate. Today I'm out in Rome, Texas. Rome, Texas at my newest listing. It's one of those towns that's right outside of Fort Worth. It's still country. And the reason I love it so much is that this listing in particular, I can go dove hunting in my backyard. And this house on Kincannon boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,700 square feet, all on 2.5 acres. So part of the reason people love Highland Meadows is the fact that it doesn't have an HOA. And all of the lots are acreage, giving you this huge backyard. And again, you can shoot birds, you can have animals. You can do what you want because this is the country.